What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. Yes, we're back with another video. Today I will be frying lobster. You know what I'm saying? Today is a special day. You know what I'm saying? Another day, another dollar I have to save to get to your mama for the child support. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry, buddy. The money coming, you know what I'm saying? The money will be coming. I'm on $1 a day playing with your mama. You know what I'm saying? You will get them Adidas, I promised you. You know I don't buy Jordans. She'll tell you all about it. You know what I'm saying? She'll tell you why I don't buy Jordans. So, you know, just be cool. You know, the money coming. So look, today I'll be frying lobster tails. You know what I'm saying? 2 of them. Both of them will be for me. I'll be showing y'all how I will be frying them today. You know, today is the last day of How to Get Away with Murder. I don't know if y'all seen it or watched it, but it's available on Netflix and it comes on tonight at 9:10 Central. I'm not getting paid to say this. I really like the show. Last episode tonight, so I'm gonna do it big and you know, eat and you know, and watch the show. You know what I'm saying? I already have some pre-made salads. You know, some pre-made salads. You know, they look good. It's not my first time. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, we're going to get it in. You know what I'm saying? I know what I'm doing. I really am a chef. Even though I don't have my chef degree or however you want to put it, however it go. You know what I'm saying? I am one of the best cooks around town. You know what I'm saying? So if you ever want to come here and eat, that's too bad. Because I really don't want to cook for everybody. You know what I'm saying? It's just for me. You know, I barely, you know, like I said, I ain't even cooking nothing for my people. You know, 2 lobster tails, one for me, one for Key, and one for Khalil. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, if you don't know who I am, if you just stumbled across this video, hit a subscribe. I am Key Khalil, you know what I'm saying? You can call me Key Khalil or Biggest Mob, either one, you know what I'm saying? Just don't call me Collect or don't call me Too Collect. You see what I'm saying? But enough jibber jabber. I'm finna prepare these lobster tails. And I will also be frying some shrimp and making some shrimp pasta from Zataran. Shout out to Zataran. I picked up they already pre-made stir-fried pasta, whatever, New Orleans style shrimp. I got that on deck as well. You know what I'm saying? I'll be cooking that, so y'all just stay tuned. We finna get it in. Ma! Alright, YouTube, we're back. You know what I'm saying? I got the lobsters all thawed out. You know, the lobster tail, that's 7 ounces a piece. You know what I'm saying? It's 2 of them, they're 7 ounces a piece. So how you want to prepare them? You want to get them thawed out. You know what I'm saying? You want to see how you want to do it. You want to cut. You want to cut the tail down all the way to there. You know what I'm saying? You want to cut the tail all the way down in here so you can display the lobster pretty. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm going to cut this in a second. Stay tuned. After you got it all the way cut through, you know, you wanna slightly just put it in your hand like this and you know, just crack it to where you know you could be able to take the meat from the sides. So you'll be able to take the meat from the sides and pull it up off the membrane. So when I got it presented, I'm gonna come back and show y'all. Just stay tuned. Alright, you guys, I got the lobster presented. You know what I'm saying? This is how it looks when it's presented. When you get the shell cut down and you be able to take the meat from off the membrane and off the sides. Right there is the nasty vein. I know it looks disgusting. I'm gonna take it off and clean it. So just stay tuned. Alright, I got both of the lobster tails clean, deveined, and with the membrane removed and all that stuff I want. Now before I batter them up, you gotta put some butter on those. So I'm finna melt some butter with some crab oil now, dip them in there, then put the batter on now. So y'all just stay tuned for that. I'm gonna come back when everything's ready to be battered. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I got everything ready. Got everything ready to prepare. Just take a look at that there. Take a look at that there. Take a look at that there. That's the lobsters with the butter. I'm finna dip it into the batter. Got everything ready.
Any African American
Finna dip them in the
in this society that sees significant success
I'm finna throw them in the grease.
has a
I'm gonna come back to y'all when they in the fryer. When I got them in the fryer, I'll come back to y'all, so y'all just stay tuned. Alright, so I got them in the fryer, they turning red, and you can see as soon as they hit the grease, they started turning red, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I dipped them in some butter with crab boil, and then I put them into the wet batter, and I put them into the dry batter, as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? So I got them into the fryer, I'm gonna move them along, get it ready, and I'm gonna start getting my noodles prepared so I can do my fried shrimp. So y'all just stay tuned. Right. Alright, you guys, so I pulled one out of the fryer and it looks amazing. Let me show y'all how it looks. Like I see it looks amazing. Just look at it. Look how crazy it looks. Got one more thing in the fryer. I was preparing some shrimp. I'm finna fry these on up, got it cleaned up and all that. So I'm finna throw them in the wet batter and fry them up. There you have it, the fried lobster. That came out pretty well, you know what I'm saying? It's some fried shrimp. The fried shrimp is to go along with my pasta that I made. Shout out to Zataran. You know what I'm saying? Zataran, they came through with that. You know what I'm saying? They frozen food section at your local grocery. You know what I'm saying? I fried it. I fried the shrimp and the fried lobster with Crisco, pure vegetable oil. You know what I'm saying? That's all I know. You know what I'm saying? Crisco is all I know. I do not use any other. Well, I do use the Louisiana cooking oil, but for the most part, I use the Crisco. You know what I'm saying? But that concludes today's video. I hope y'all guys enjoyed it. You know what I'm saying? I hope it was good for y'all. Let me flip the camera so I can see myself if y'all can't see me. That concludes today's video. I hope y'all like that fried lobster. I hope it looks good to y'all. I hope y'all go try it out with the recipe, you know what I'm saying, that I have for y'all. Like I said, I use, you know what I'm saying, this right here, the shrimp fry. I use that. That's what I use. It's a wet mix, then it's a dry mix, you know what I'm saying. But the fried lobster came out great. It's only 7:30. My show come on in an hour and 30 minutes. I'm early. I just couldn't wait. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to hurry up and get this video to y'all. I was anxious to record. I was anxious to fry my lobster. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, the lobster came out good. Great. You know what I'm saying? Really better than I expected it to, you know. Really better than I expected it to, so y'all check that out. That's the fried lobster. It's the lobster tail fried. That's how it looks. You know what I'm saying? 7-ounce lobster tails. First one I ever fried was a 9-ounce. You know what I'm saying? So they shrunk too. You know what I'm saying? They shrunk and that thing, but well, all's well is in well. Another vlog done. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all enjoyed. You know, subscribe, hit that like button. Make sure you share this video, hit that post notification bell so you will be notified when I drop more videos. You know, it's the biggest mob. I'm out.